How do you grow Global Domains International? Hi, I'm Carol Reve. Welcome to this video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and share this. Okay? How do you grow Global Domains International for 2025 and far beyond that? Now, GDI has been around for 25 years, so it is a good, solid company. It's paid me every single month for years. Okay, it's not going anywhere from as far as we can tell. It's about as solid or stable as you can get online. And if you look at the job that you've been going to for your 9 to 5 that you've been going to for so many years, how stable is that? How certain are you that that's not going anywheres? Okay, well, not only that, but even with that 9 to 5 job, you may need extra income. I know I did. I didn't have enough time with my family, my daughters who are now grown and have families of their own. So that's why I set the system up for GDI and Global Domains International, because it is solid. It is a good company. You need a system to help you grow it. If you're not having success online, maybe you've been in GDI before and you didn't have any success and you're looking at it again because maybe, like myself, you've been in a couple duds and you're tired of being in duds and you want to be in something that you know is going to be around forever. Plus, GDI, $10 a month, it's affordable for everyone. It gives you the domain name. My domain name, I chose carol.ws. Very easy to remember. Okay. It gives you a website builder, easy website builder. It's been updated. It's really good now. Web hosting, you can use WordPress if you want to, and you get professional email addresses that you can use, plus an income opportunity. You can there's two membership levels, either basic or premium. The basic is $10, the premium is $50. Again, to grow GDI, you need a system. This is one of my capture pages that leads to my bridge page. I have 10 capture pages. I just need to update a couple more. I'll have more, but a bridge, capture pages, a bridge page, a sales page. Let me see if I got the sales page up here. Here I do. Okay. And then this is the lead sleep, which is the marketing system. And then you need traffic. You need to be able to drive traffic, whether it's free advertising or paid advertising. I look for budget-friendly advertising because, when you're first starting out with this, or maybe you just coming back and you didn't have success before, everybody needs to start somewheres. Okay, so the SendSteed, you can see the opt-ins that I've gotten at different times for this. Okay, I have really good traffic that goes to this. And then the system. Okay, this is not hype. There's no rotators. There's nothing like that. Okay, you just come in and grow your GDI. But this is work. No one's going to do it for you. Okay, it does take work and effort to grow GDI, as I'm sure you're aware of. So if you'd like more information and you'd like to see how the system works, just go to carol.ws. Put your email in there. It's probably going to be a different, I think I did a different capture page here. Carol.ws. Okay, this is what I have right here. You can use your .ws domain name, or you can get a .com or a .info. You can choose a domain that you prefer. I believe the .coms and the other ones are more expensive than $10 a month, but still a very good deal. And then you use the domain forwarding like this, okay? So you can click the link below or go to carol.ws at any time and see the system, see how it works. This is proof that it works. So you're not just whistling, I'm not just whistling in the dark, okay? And many people are having success with GDI, but you just have to work it. Okay, and I've got really budget friendly. Oh, and I have an email series of over 300 days in this. Okay, that is just very easy to set up with simple share codes, and I have training videos on how to set the system up. And then if you still struggle with that, we can arrange a time and an appointment where I can walk you through and either help you or do it for you. So again, I'm carol.ws, or you can email me, message me anytime if you have any questions. Okay, this is the best way to grow your GDI in 2025 and far beyond. Okay, God bless and take care. And if this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. I really do appreciate you. Thank you.